The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Lancaster and Lebanon, effective until 4:17 p.m. The National Weather Service in State College Park has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lancaster County, in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lebanon County, in south-central Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lithis, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ephrata, Lithis, Mannheim, East Petersburg, Akron, Denver, Brimstown, Rothsville, Newmanstown, Adamstown, Brickerville, and Terre Hill. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 2683. Precautionary/preparedness actions: stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.